about place replacement algorithm. So here we have the three techniques, which is continuous memory allocation techniques. So first one is FIFO, then least recently used, then optimal replacement, page replacement. So here we have the two options like page fault and page hits. If the page is allocated to the particular if the main memory while CPU wants to access the page, uh, yeah, if it find the required page in main memory while CPU want the page means it base page hit. If doesn't find the main memory space where the CPU cannot access the page means it is page fault. So I will show the code. So first we see is FIFO. So I show this is output. So we give the number of pages. It is the pages. So number of frames is 3. So total number of page faults is 7 and hits is 3. Because we have the 3 frames, it will be so hit ratio is 3 by number of pages is 10 and miss ratio is 7. Page fault is the missed ratio 7 by number of processor, the values is 10. So total number of pages 10. It will be allocated. 3 will be allocated, 7 will not be allocated. So now I explain the code. So here we get the input from the user which number of pages, and we get the reference value from this, then we get number of frames by using this, then it so we create a temporary frames which contains -1. Then we just verify whether the CPU allocates the page or not. If allocates means page fault minus. So page fault is less than or frames and SW equal to 0 means it will be stored as temp memory. So finally we print that values which total page fault, page hits and hit ratio and miss ratio. Then we give the least used replacement. In here also we get 10 and same the 3 2 1 3 4 1 6 2 4 3. Number of frames is 3. Here false is 8 and page hits is 2 because here least means if we doesn't use the particular thing, it will be replaced with a new page. So according to that 8 will get fault because currently we use one, the background to apps will be changed. Okay, so code for this means same number of number of pages and we get the replacement values, then we get the number of frames unchecked which is not used for long times and just replace it with the new frames. Finally we print the values, then we see the optimal page replacement. For this the output is here. So hits is 4, total page fault is 6. What is the optimal replacement page replacement is if we doesn't work the page now, it will be replaced with the new value and just again it will be accessed to the previous page also. So according to this the total page hits will be 4 and page fault is 6. So hit ratio is 4 by 10 and miss ratio is 6 by 10. So now I explain the code. So we get the number of pages and reference values and the value number of frames. Then we just give the flag with double equals black 1 and 2 are 0. If check whether the process is used or not. If it's not used, one means it will be replaced with another place, and finally we print the output. So this is three FIFO and least replacement, page replacement, optimal page replacement. Thanks for watching.